What is going on, guys? It is Glyn here. I'm really excited to invite you to promote our new launch, the Crypto Profit app. Now, the Crypto Profit app goes live on Warrior Plus at 10 a.m. EST on Thursday, the 24th of June, 2021. And it would be awesome to have all of you guys who are watching this video right now to jump on board and promote this epic brand new launch. Now, it's a cloud-based app which allows your tribe, your customers, to generate commissions in the form of crypto. Yes, we're talking Bitcoin, Ethereum, and all that other good stuff, via the power of these done-for-you profit sites that we are providing your customers, your tribe. Now, these profit sites are packed with videos and other people's content, which they're going to legally source and put onto their own crypto affiliate site. And when people sign up for services and products in the crypto niche, in the crypto space, your customers, your tribe are going to earn those juicy commissions in crypto, which everybody wants. And let's be honest, crypto is going up and down, as we know, but eventually, if we believe what people tell us, it's going to be worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. So this is a hot niche, this is a hot topic, this is a hot product which your customers, your tribe, your people will definitely want to invest their money in. So like I said, it goes live on Thursday, the 24th of June, 2021, 10 a.m. EST and Warrior Plus. Would be great to have you guys on board. If you're on the JV page right now, you're going to find out all the details about this launch. If you're not, click the button around this video. It could be up there or it could be down there somewhere. I'm not too sure, depending on where you are watching this video. But when you are on the JV page, you will find details about the launch, details about the funnel, the cash contest, the prizes, and all that other cool stuff. You can even grab some images that you can use on your bonus pages or review pages if you do that kind of stuff. And guys, I would recommend using bonus pages. I would recommend doing review videos. Even if you just take my sales video and upload it to YouTube or something like that, it's definitely going to help you earn a couple of extra sales. But definitely review videos work. I do that stuff and I know my conversions skyrocket. And to take things to another level, if you do want to like zoom up your commissions even further, maybe try a webinar, whether it's a pre-launch webinar, a mid-launch webinar, whatever the case, just get on. If you've got an audience, which I know a lot of you guys do have an audience, get on live for 10 or 20 minutes, offer your bonuses, and you certainly will scoop up some extra sales. I've learned that recently and I'm definitely making a lot more money with that strategy. So if you want access or the document, hit me up at any given time. I'm available on Skype or Facebook, or get my personal phone number from someone if someone's got it, and you can ask me any questions or get those details. Finally, guys, reciprocation. If you can support me, I have 100% got your back in the future. Ask around, ask your friends, ask for affiliates. I 100%, pretty much everyone. Sometimes I might only come through with 30, 40, 50 sales. Other times I might come through with 200 or even 300 or 400 sales. If your offer is going to be a fit for my list, I'm 9 times out of 10 going to promote it. But also, if you have promoted me in the past, I'm definitely going to jump on one of your offers. So please consider promoting my offer. Please consider promoting the Crypto Profit app. And I have 100% got your back in the future. I want to lock arms with as many affiliates in 2021 so we can help build each other's businesses by providing our customers, our tribes, with awesome softwares and solutions to help build their business as well. So guys, if you can jump on board with this one, it would be awesome. This is June the 24th. It's on a Thursday. It's going to be 10 a.m. EST and Warrior Plus. Massive cash prize contest, juicy funnel, and a lot of work has gone into the sales page, the sales video, the funnel, the upgrade pages, the OTO page, literally everything. And we have some super duper limited features on our account that other affiliates and vendors don't have. So please consider promoting an offer from someone who has been there in the trenches for years, improving on every single offer to maximize your conversions, guys. So Thursday, I will see you on the leaderboard. Any questions, hit me up at any given time. I've got your back, and I will speak to you real soon. Thanks a lot, guys.